Zimbabwe has reportedly lost an estimated 400 million in potential revenue through the exports of underclad calcium and tantalum, high-value byproducts smuggled out of the country, concealed within lithium concentrates, before authorities moved to ban the export of low minerals. Fundamental US minerals revenue disappears. Not about subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. The revelations made by engineer Mulono, a lecturer at National University of Science and Technology, underscore deep-seated leakages in ZVAITWA extractive sector, long plagued by opacity, elite capture, and regulatory oversight. Speaking at a breakfast meeting organized by Zimbabwe Environmental Law Associate Zela Modono, detailed how critical minerals were being exported without proper declaration or beneficiation. In quotes, if I use that as the basis of calculation, then I have a general approximation of the content within the concentrate. For calcium, 0.07 to 1.05%. That translates to around 8,512 metric tons from 1.52 million tons exported, worth about 30 million, he said. The latest disclosure adds to a long history of suspected revenue leakages in Zimbabwe mining sector, where allegations of corruption and elite-driven extraction deals have persisted for decades. In 2016, former President Robert Mugabe stunned the nation by revealing that Zimbabwe has lost an estimated of 15 billion in diamond revenue from the Marange fields, an admission that exposed the scale of illicit financial flows and shadowy dealings involving politically connected elites and security-linked companies. Doma developments are good pakwa inai. But some of in more deep now in Zimbabwe as you can see that people are suffering. But to one they are smuggling. But is enyika. But in subjects wenyika. Benefit. I've been benefits of creating more deep kwa each. Subscribe or like it on the bell icon.